What does it take for you to be the best at what you do? Well, for me, it means investing in my continuous professional and personal development. To achieve this, I booked a flight to the United States of America to attend a conference, and a few hours later, I landed in this beautiful city, New Orleans, in the state of Louisiana. What a beautiful city with amazing people and great food. FinCon is a conference that brings together money nerds across the globe who are passionate about personal finance and helping their clients grow and achieve their financial goals. Now, of course, your boy TK from Money Adventures podcast would be within the people. This is a podcast for the ordinary African who is determined to achieve the financial goals, improve their well-being, and of course, build wealth. Now, this conference that took place over 4 days was absolutely a game changer. From the conversations to the strategies to the networking to the relationships that we built, this for me was a 10 out of 10. Now, because this is where money and media meet, I brought along my personal finance book, Let's Change the Script, Chelete Hasipasil. It's often said, start local but go global. My question to you is, what does it take for you to be the best at what you do? Leave a comment below and let me know. Cheers.